Question number 1.
The professor insisted that every student their assignment by Friday. A. Submits. B. Submit. C. Submitted.
Question number 2.
If I harder, I would have passed the chemistry exam. A. Study. B. Had studied. C. Studied.
Question number 3.
The results of the survey to be more complex than expected. A. Appear. B. Appears. C. Appearing.
Question number 4.
It's essential that the report accurate and well referenced. A. B. B. Is. C. Was.
Question number 5.
Neither the teacher nor the students aware of the schedule change. A. Was. B. Were. C. Is.
Question number 6.
Not until the final presentation how much effort the group had made. A. Did we realize? B. We realized. C. Realized we.
Question number 7.
The library is a place where students can their knowledge. A. Broaden. B. Broad. C. Broadening.
Question number 8.
The research paper must be written formal academic guidelines. A. According with. B. According by. C. According to.
Question number 9.
I wish the exam questions a little easier. A. Are. B. Were. C. Have been.
Question number 10.
The committee reviewing the proposal for the new curriculum. A. Is. B. Are. C. Have.
Question number 11.
The manager suggested that all employees the meeting on time. A. Are. B. B. C. Were.
Question number 12.
The project has been delayed because the documents were incorrectly. A. Filled. B. Filed. C. Fell.
Question number 13.
If the report earlier, we could have presented it today. A. Had been completed. B. Has completed. C. Completes.
Question number 14.
The CEO, along with his advisors, planning a new strategy. A. Are. B. Is. C. Have.
Question number 15.
The company will have to the launch due to technical issues. A. Call off. B. Call out. C. Call on.
Question number 16.
The intern was responsible organizing the annual meeting. A. 2. B. 4. C. About.
Question number 17.
Not only the proposal rejected, but it was also criticized. A. Was. B. Were. C. Did.
Question number 18.
The HR department wants to ensure that everyone the policy clearly. A. Understands. B. Understanding. C. Understood.
Question number 19.
The report should include graphs, tables, and analysis. A. Clear. B. Clearly. C. Clear.
Question number 20.
I wish the client more patient during discussions. A. Was. B. Were. C. Is.
Question number 21.
If my sister the dishes, I'll take out the trash. A. Does. B. Do. C. Did.
Question number 22.
The children were excited their grandparents were visiting. A. Although. B. Because. C. Unless.
Question number 23.
Maria and her family planning a trip to Thailand this summer. A. Is. B. Are. C. Has.
Question number 24.
I can't how much noise the neighbors make every night. A. Put up with. B. Put out. C. Put in.
Question number 25.
If only we left earlier, we wouldn't have missed the train. A. Have. B. Had. C. Would have.
Question number 26.
By the time we got home, the dinner cold. A. Became. B. Was becoming. C. Had become.
Question number 27.
The twins, along with their cousin, baking cookies in the kitchen. A. Are. B. Is. C. Have.
Question number 28.
The parents made their son his room before going out. A. Clean. B. Cleans. C. Cleaned.
Question number 29.
Hardly we finished cleaning when the guests arrived. A. Have. B. Had. C. Has.
Question number 30.
The new furniture looks beautiful the living room. A. In. B. At. C. On.
Question number 31.
The headmaster demanded that every student the rules. A. Obey. B. Obeys. C. Obeyed.
Question number 32.
Had I known about the lecture, I attended it. A. Would. B. Will have. C. Would have.
Question number 33.
The class was divided two groups for the project. A. Into. B. In. C. Among.
Question number 34.
The principal, along with the teachers, attending the seminar. A. Are. B. Is. C. Have been.
Question number 35.
The essay must be both clear concise. A. Or. B. But. C. And.
Question number 36.
The teacher asked that the students quiet during the test. A. Are. B. Be. C. Were.
Question number 37.
The results of the experiment convincing evidence. A. Provide. B. Provides. C. Providing.
Question number 38.
No sooner the bell rang than the students rushed out. A. Had. B. Has. C. Have.
Question number 39.
The group of students submitting their assignments tomorrow. A. Is. B. Are. C. Have.
Question number 40.
If it tomorrow, the field trip will be cancelled. A. Rains. B. Rained. C. Raining.
Question number 41.
The board insisted that the new policy implemented immediately. A. B. B. Is. C. Was.
Question number 42.
The company must comply all government regulations. A. With. B. By. C. To.
Question number 43.
Our success depends how well we communicate as a team. A. At. B. On. C. With.
Question number 44.
Seldom such efficiency in a new employee. A. We see. B. Do we see? C. We saw.
Question number 45.
The presentation was not only informative, also engaging. A. But. B. But also. C. And.
Question number 46.
The finance department to submit the report by Monday. A. Have. B. Has. C. Having.
Question number 47.
The manager will look the issue first thing tomorrow. A. Into. B. Over. C. On.
Question number 48.
If the meeting postponed, I'll inform the team. A. Is. B. Was. C. Were.
Question number 49.
The proposal must include both a summary and detailed budget. A. As. B. And. C. Or.
Question number 50.
I wish the manager more open to new ideas. A. Was. B. Were. C. Is.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.